Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Is een gloeiende bol van fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
Roy, Amber and I will take care of the smaller fire. Think you can handle the big one?
It's so cold today! Brr.
They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari. Which one of them looked more like a Ferrari?
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel. Neem een slokje water.
Get back, you oil-thirsty parasite! But actually, this is my good side here.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Oh, Red, you missed a spot. There, right there. In the hood, right?
Shannon, it was a great move. Now we're... Hey! Vito!
Iets nou.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Changed the direction of my life when I started Miss Critters Racing School!
You know who you're talking to? This is Lightning McQueen. I can handle anything.
Okay, drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man! No.
Take my way. That's the highway. That's
All right, if you can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes.
Check it out! They let me keep the rockets!
I'll see you at the finish line!
That was some pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me!
I hereby dub thee.
Get my phone!
Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Danico's golden boy for years.
Thanks, guys!
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will be...
something special from Sodor for my new friend. I'll search the whole island from end to end.
With triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
Not now! Come on, come on, come on! No!
never did get a chance to thank you for introducing me and Stanley.
These folks are gonna get a kick out of meeting Hud's boy.
Who's Hud? Oh, not.
The deal was you fix the road, not make it worse. I'll scrape it off, start over again.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
It is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tank.
¡Tubos de escape! ¡Qué gran